So for those of you who are interested in getting an awesome massager, especially when you take a bath, this is the one you should actually get. And this is the box that it's going to come with. It's a big box and it has a few attachments that are included. So we are going to go into the attachments, why this is the greatest one for you to buy. And the price is just awesome as well. So what do we have inside the box? So first off, USB-C cable. So it attaches and works with almost all your mechanical devices. And you can stick it right into your USB cord. So you can go ahead and recharge this when you need to. Now the first one is very awesome, nice and soft, and I really like how soft this thing actually is. It is just amazing. So this one is you put some stuff on this, like soap, or you can go ahead and put something else of your favorite kind of lotion that you put on. And you can go ahead and it's gonna rub you in awesome ways. Now there's two more for you. For those more adventurous, there is this one over here that is much more softer, but it's also rubbery as well. Now they spin both different ways, and I'm going to show you in a second how this works. And then of course there's the brush. The brush is really one of my favorites over here. So the brush is like extremely soft, and this one is mostly the one most of you guys are going to be using. So let's go ahead and show you how it actually works. And this, of course, I can't actually demonstrate it inside of the shower, but I can show it to you over here. This thing is waterproof, by the way. So when you press on here, this is the first one. It goes slow. Press on it again, and this is the fast one. Now, as this spins around, one of them spins one way, another one is spinning the other way. You keep pressing on it and it turns off. Now, it's easy for you to take this out, and then you're going to be switching it, and just go ahead and just stick this back on right in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Put this back in. There we go. And now take a look at how it's going to spin right on this. Turn it on. You can see how one spins one way, another one spins the other way. Second speed, you can see how fast this thing actually goes. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is show you how to take it off again. So it's easy for you to take it off. Now when you put this on, just make sure it's aligned. There is this hexagon pattern over here. All you have to do is to make sure it's aligned in. And that's it. It goes super easy in and out. So yeah, if you don't actually align it with the hexagon, it's not going to go in as easy. So just keep this in mind. Now, after you do this, to pick the one you want it to actually be, and I picked this one over here. Actually, I don't like this. I want this one instead. Sometimes because I don't like it, but more like I wanted to do this one. Put this on, and now this works better. Turn this on. And turn it off. Let's go ahead and do this one. Yes. Yeah. This feels good, by the way. Oh yes, oh yeah. Feels great when you use this, right on the hand and everything. Now, make sure you turn it off when you switch this around. Yes, feels good. So I'm just demonstrating to you how this thing works. Awesomeness. And the hardest part of this is to figure out which one is the cutest or the coolest one for you to go ahead and pick in the shower. And every single day you'll be picking and figuring out which one is the one that's right for you. Now, when you're done and you hear this thing has already been working for quite some time, make sure you go ahead and recharge it with the USB-C port right here. So go ahead and get started using this, because this thing is just awesome. It's going to relax you, it's going to feel good, and it's waterproof as well, so you can take it right on the shower and on the go.